Hi everyone, welcome back to Roc.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything that you need to do in order to get these results. Photos, deals, all of this, your overview, how to add hyperlinks, images, everything. So here we go. And that's as easy as here is your back-end editor. Is a Roc merchant. You'll be able to log into your account anytime, make any changes that you want. And of course, we start here. This is the title, your business name. I'm Todd Fleming Photography. You have your business level. That's just what you signed up with, whatever account you choose to do. If we're running a promo, you can input your promo and get the discount for that level, and we'll talk about that later as well. What you're also going to do, you're going to come down here and put in the categories that you've chosen. So you can come here. So I chose wedding services. I do video. So I click it and it shows up here and it adds it to your list. Depending on what you chose is your advertising package. Depends on how many categories you get. This says free, 5 extra categories. Anything over that is $15 extra a category, but usually 5 categories is pretty good for a business. Actually, it's really good. So that is how you add your categories. You're going to come down here and put in your summary description. This is the brief description that people see when they are right here. That's the brief description they see that you want to grab them with. And then after you click read more, your full description opens up. So that's where you put your summary description. Down here is where you put your full description. You can add links to it. You can make things bold. And that's as easy as you highlight the area. You click bold. Bingo. You made something important turn bold. If you want to change that into a link, you click the link button here. It opens up. Wherever you want to link to, you're going to want to use HTTPS secured. And you type in your link here and it'll go straight to that link, whatever words you highlight. You're basically going to want them to pop out in a new window, so you don't want them to leave the site. You want your link to show up in a new window. So that's how that works. We'll cancel that because of course I don't need to do that right now. Keywords, very important. What do I do with my business? I do headshots, portraits. I'm a photographer. I'm in Rochester. I do drone footage. I do video. I could still add a few other things here. Sometimes it changes, but you can come in here anytime and make those changes. You're going to put your contact information, your website link, your phone number, all of this stuff. And as you see, this is where it ends up, right here, first and foremost, so people know how to get to you. If they want to go to your website, all they have to do is click on it, takes them right to your website. Bingo. That's simple. Takes them right to your website. So down here, your information, your maps. For some reason, I think it doesn't show up here in the editor, but it definitely shows up here where it needs to be. So your maps, and you get to put in a reference. If you think your place of business might be a little difficult to get to, or people get lost, you can put a reference point. My studio is at the Hungerford building, and it's at door number 7, and I'm in studio 310. So that's nice. You can get that detailed. And here, of course, is a great thing, social networks. So a lot of us use these days. So you can add in your Facebook page, your Instagram link, and Twitter. And with Facebook, the great thing about that is it actually becomes part of your page. Here we go. Here's all of my business activity in my business Facebook page. So they want to see what I'm up to there, they can literally click on it and bingo, they're watching things. Excuse me. They're watching things directly from my Facebook page. Like I say, seeing is believing. So video, video, video. Now back to the editor. You get to add all of these features showing what you do in your business. These are the icons. You can go in here and find an icon. If you're a music store, you might want to click that one for music and just put in the name, whatever you do, music, and you would add that. And of course, we have our hours of business. It's as simple as this. Add Sunday hours, 8 a.m., 3 p.m. if you would like to do that, and you simply add it. Bingo. If you make a mistake, you simply remove it. Of course, we don't want to work those hours on Sunday. At least I don't. And really important is SEO. So this is the title that people are going to see up here. Rochester, New York photographer. So that's it. Rochester, New York photographer, Todd Fleming. The Todd Fleming part's just not showing up because you can only see so much. But yeah, this is the power of SEO that Shop Cool Roc provides. And you see when it's highlighted here, what pops up. All of these words. Everything. So when someone's on Google, for instance, and they're looking for you, through the power of this site, you'll even pop up through Google as being a member of this site. A lot of times we will outrank people's own websites because we have everything tied in this site that you possibly might not be doing for yourself on your own website. Your description has been transferred down here as well from the top. This was your summary description, remember? So it automatically comes down here. And SEO, search words, SEO, search engine optimization, your keywords. I'm a photographer, I'm in Rochester, do weddings, headshots, portraits. I always put shop small in here because people like to, they type that in when they're looking for small businesses. Rochester, New York photographer. Whatever you can think of that focuses on people finding your business, these are keywords, and you want to put those in there. No fluff, no fancy descriptions, just core keywords. If you were a specialty store and you sold Cannondale bicycles, and maybe not everyone else sells Cannondale bicycles, you would use Cannondale, things like that. It's what you want to do. And so here we'll get to more meat and potatoes of everything. These are all of the images that I have in my ad page. And if you remember, we go up here, photos. That's where all of these photos go to. Everything. It's all easy for you to do, and it's powerful in aiding people to find you. So here we are, we're getting lost here. Huh? Back here, photos. And it's as simple as choose a file, find the file on your computer, you can pick it, and it is going to upload it. Right here you can see I've already reached my limit, 20 photos. So you get to use a lot of images to advertise your business. So I reached my limit, so I'll just delete that one. If you want to change the image that represents you, you would just move this to there. So you can see the image that represents my ad page. is that right here. So if I want to change it to something else, you just click on that photo and it moves to that photo. And that's as simple as that. And as far as your videos, it's simple again. If you host your videos on YouTube, you can just take the URL from your YouTube video and you put it right here. And your video shows up on your page. That's simple. These are all my videos. And if I'm correct, I think you can add up to 16 or 20 videos that speak directly to your core clients, people you want to attract. And you see, last but not least, what did we miss? Yeah, your cover image. So you can come in here and you can have a custom photo for your business if you want to use your logo, or you can come in here and find something. Say photography, if I'm spelling it right. Since I'm a photographer, and if I wanted to choose one of these images, I could. But I create my own, so I like mine. This was a engagement shoot that I did in San Francisco. So I like that. Good memories, so I use it. It looks good. I think it attracts people. And there we have it. In this short period of time, if you have all your images ready and video links and things like that, you can have this done in 35, 40 minutes, hour tops. And this is the result once again. Your photos, any deals that you might want to add, your map, your features, your videos, all of your social media, and your reviews show up here at the bottom. I'm losing my voice here. I talk a lot. And bingo, this is shopcoolroc.com, and this can be you on shopcoolroc.com. And next tutorial, we will talk about articles and how you can add articles as a business. We'll see you then. Thank you.